Hi, I'm Brianna Ziegler. A girl who is imaginative and an amazing actress. And hi, I'm Jakara Blackwell, a friend from Brianna's school. And when I was in 8th grade, me and Jakara played Leonardo and Michelangelo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And we did an episode which has a scene that parodies the famous chocolate factory scene from I Love Lucy. Yes. While our two other brothers, Donnie and Wrath, played by Christina and Brooke, my brother Leo got bored teaching karate to New York citizens. And so he decided to come to the pizza factory where I was working at. We did fine at first, but then the machine started to speed up, and we couldn't keep up. So I hope you enjoy our little scene. See you there! All right, you two. This is the topping station. Now, the pizzas will pass by you two on this conveyor belt, and your task is to put the toppings on the pizza based on the toppings listed on the papers you see below the pizza. Do you understand? Yes, sir. Let her roll! Let her roll! Well, hold on a minute. Someone's asleep at the machine. What happened, Michelangelo? I thought you were downstairs boxing up pizzas. Oh, they kicked me out of here fast. How come? I kept tasting them to see how I react to them. Oh, that's bad. Worse than putting candy and other sweet stuff on them. All right, you two. Listen up. If one pizza makes it past you and into the boxing room without any toppings, you're fired. Yes, sir. Let her roll! Wow, Mikey, this is easy. I know, right? I just wish there was caramel and chocolate and other sweet stuff I could put on those pizzas. Oh, Mikey, can't you learn to put normal stuff on your pizza? Sorry, I just love putting weird stuff on my pizza. Oh, bummer! Has the machine got so tubuloso? Gee, Mikey, I think we're fighting a losing game. I hear footsteps. Hurry, Michelangelo! Here he comes! All right, you two are doing well. Speed it up a little! And that is the end of our little scene. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And leave a comment down below. This is Brianna Ziegler and Jakara Blackwell signing off.